Police, operator M132. What is the address you're calling about? Okay, is it a house, apartment, or business?
It's a house.
Yeah, how could I help you, sir?
I'm across the street. I have a gun, and I'm worried that I'm going to go in and kill my parents. I just need you guys to come. I'm worried I'm going to kill them. I feel like I'm possessed, and I'm going to hurt somebody. I've got a gun in my pocket right now.
Okay, well, just stay on the phone with me. Just talk to me a little bit, okay?
All right. Tell them to come quick, please.
What kind of gun are you carrying?
It's a Glock.
Do you want to call Baker to dispatch or stay on the phone? He's advising he will comply with what you have to say.
He's got his hands in his right pants or right pocket.
Alright, we're gonna be out with him. Hold on.
Put your hands up!
Put your hands up! Take your hand out of your pocket!
Put your hands up!
Don't put your hand in your pocket, leave them up!
Yeah.
Get back. Hands up. Keep your hands up. Hands up. No!
Don't do it! Don't do it!